Alright, how is everybody doing today? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla stock. This is going to be a quick one talking about how Tesla stock is up another 8% today nearly. It's back down about 7.2% up just today on Monday. It's all the way up to $640 a share. That is actually crazy, man. That would mean that in the last month, the stock is up over 50% when it was already up so much this year alone. So that is actually pretty crazy. So if anyone still holds this stock, that is a big congrats to you. This basically sums it up right here. But right before we jump into it, if you haven't already, make sure to sign up for Webull. Basically, if you deposit $100, you're gonna get 4 free stocks, and like the odds are right here. But I'll have a link down in the description. All you guys have to do is deposit $100, open up brokerage. It just takes a few minutes, and you'll get 4 free stocks. That can be worth up to $1,600. So make sure to do that if you haven't already. So the reason this stock is up so much is not from any big news at all. Like literally nothing big. They did not come out with earnings, nothing like that. It's literally just some articles came out talking about how the stock could potentially double, triple, stuff like that. And but other than that, it hasn't really gone up too much. One thing I found interesting was that they published like a report talking about like who works at the company for the first time, which is like 83% were females, 60% of the workers were white, stuff like that. So it's pretty interesting. But other than that, there hasn't been too many other things at all reported up for Tesla stock, but it is up literally 8% for the day. I feel like a lot of this, from looking around and doing some research here and there, that it's pretty much from people like wanting to get in, that are like kind of fear of missing out or FOMOing out of like not holding this stock, and they just want to get in. And I think that's just driving the price up a lot within the last month, because nothing substantial came from the last month other than the S&P 500 inclusion. That might be another crazy reason that the crazy trading volume is going on right now, is because of the S&P inclusion, which is just happening very soon in December. So it's happening very soon now. It's already it feels like yesterday when they actually reported the S&P 500 that it was going to be joining with Tesla. So we just got to see what happens there. Some people are reporting that it's going to go up 8% guaranteed on the S&P 500 inclusion day, but no, I don't think that's how it works. Also, a lot of funds don't just buy the fund of Tesla the day that it gets included. Like they're slowly buying Tesla stock, because Tesla is just so big now that you can't just have a billions of dollars in your fund and overnight buy Tesla stock so that it covers 2% of your portfolio. Like you have to do it pretty slowly, or else it can get pretty crazy. So that might be helping the buying power, and it might just be I would say it's a lot of speculators as well buying this, thinking that it's going to go up on S&P 500 day, which, if you know Tesla stock, do not count on any of that happening. When the stock split, I believe it was somewhere here, but either way, the stock fell like, I don't know, at least 10% on stock split day and stuff like that. People were mad. So if you're buying the stock here today, I'm not gonna say you're dumb, but if you buy it today, just know that you better believe in the company long term. And if you do, and if it does go down, I mean, do not like just panic and sell, because this company definitely has a very like bright future ahead of it. In terms of their stock price now, nothing is for sure. I've been holding this, man. If you watched my channel, I've been holding this stock. I don't know the pricing exactly, but I just know it was within middle of 2018 towards 2019. I've been holding the stock for almost like 3-4 years now, maybe 3 years. It's almost 2021, so yeah, like 3 years now, man. It's like I've been holding it for a while, and I think I'm up over 1,000% on it, and I'm still holding, dude. I don't think I sold any shares since I've started buying it, since I bought into it, I mean. And that is pretty much it. The only share I bought was a couple when it dipped during the pandemic. Those were the only shares I bought, but other than that, I've literally been holding for like 3+ years, and I think I'm still gonna be holding. I always think about if I should just sell. I might sell a few shares, but man, I might just keep the rest of them and just hold it, as I've been doing over the last few years, because this stock just, man, it keeps going up, and it's pretty crazy. Now I wouldn't, like, if this stock stays still for the next like 2 years, 1 year, 2 years, I'll be okay with it. Like, it's gone up so much over the last year that even if you buy this stock now and it stays the same in the next 1 to 2 years, you shouldn't be too surprised, and I think you should be happy and continue to hold. But yeah, that is that. Thank you guys for watching. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for this channel. I'm going to be posting basically another Tesla prediction video where I think the stock will be in 5 years. Last year I made a video about why the stock will 5x over the next few years, and it's literally done that. So I think I'm gonna be making like an update to that and say where it's gonna be in the next 5 years. So hopefully you guys stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already, because I'm trying to hit 600 subscribers by the end of this year. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.